Let me show you how to create an energetic music festival video using rhythm syncing in Filmora Mobile. First things first, open Filmora and select the AI Beats option. Now, the first step is choosing your music. You can either go with one of Filmora's built-in tracks or import your own. Just make sure it matches the vibe of your festival video. Once that's done, tap Next. Now select the clips you want to include. Make sure you pick at least 8 or more to keep the energy flowing. After selecting your media, tap Generate. Filmora's take it from here. It automatically detects the beats and syncs your clips to the music. You can choose between beats or peak modes, depending on what suits your track best. Next, tap the 3-dot menu and select More Edits. This will bring you into the full timeline editor where you can fine-tune everything. Now, let's add some animation to kick things off. Tap your first clip and explore the animation options. Filmora offers a wide range to choose from, so pick the one that fits your style. Then, move on to transitions. To keep the flow smooth and exciting, go to the zoom category. You'll find lots of transition styles here. Choose one that matches the rhythm and energy of your footage. Set the duration for each transition and be sure to tap Apply to All to make your workflow faster and consistent. Now it's time for effects. I recommend using audio visualizers. They add an energetic pulse to your video on every beat. Stretch the visualizer across the entire timeline so it covers all your clips. And for the final touch, color grading, using the color tools to enhance the overall mood and make everything pop. This will give your video that professional, polished look. And that's it. Your energetic, rhythm-synced festival video is ready. Check out the final result. Give Filmora a try. It's free to use, and you'll find the link down in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.